So in this video, I'd like to share more about my Phuket trip with Aaron and the places we went. We decided to stay over at Lub'd, which is a social hostel slash hotel with quite a bit of facilities and parties. We're just awkward introverts, so after checking in, we are good to go. So one of our favorite go-to places is iKroon, where we had an amazing breakfast here. This is probably one of our favorite meals. Jungceylon was our usual go-to place where we shop and eat. This is also where Aaron introduced to me this gravity-defying ice cream. So within walking distance is Malin Plaza, which is a marketplace that comes with a little bazaar vibes. They also have a lot of fruit stalls which comes with refreshing fruit juices. So we pretty much spent most of our daytime at Patong Beach, where we chill and sip some beer. It's nice to just be there, get some sun, and look at the waves. And I started trolling. And it's really nice to people watch, and they have quite a bit of activities here as well, if you're up for it, and an amazing sunset. So for dinner, there are takeouts available by the beach, and that day we bought some food back and eat while watching some cockfighting. For night activities, you wouldn't want to miss out Bangla walking street, where the crowd usually goes. There are some great bars and clubs. It's a great place to experience nightlife, or just have some beer and people watch. We popped by Club Illuzion to check out, and they actually have this aerial silk performances that really left an impression. Never seen one in a club before. And we may have partied a little. So on the more chill side of the itinerary was dining at Beyond Night Market, where we had a zita-like dinner. And we bought a bunch of snacks and alcohol, filled up our flasks with vodka, made vodka gummy, and we kinda just stayed in and drank by the place. And I got Aaron to try vodka gummies.
Hey guys,
Oh, it is strong, yo.
holy shit, holy fucking shit,
This is good.
Chinese man's gonna get high tonight. Tawa tawa.
Let's try another one.
And I end up being that Chinese man. And then that was it. Overall, Phuket is laid back and fun, and I love the chill town and beach vibes. So this is what my friend thinks.
Go to Phuket then.
Then just boost up.
So that's all. Bye!